second day of the Transylvania tour. We've got 350 kilometers to do today. It is the longest day. It's gonna be tiring, about 10 hours of riding time, but these are some really beautiful places around. Today's trek took us through the heart of the Carpathian Mountains. We started off by waiting for the local fauna to cross the road in search of some yummy grass, after which we were treated to a nice long stretch of asphalt. On road, that's the way your day's supposed to start. Not with off-road, nobody likes off-road in the morning. Bit of on-road, and then when you wake up, go do off-road. Stopping at the many well-signaled tourist attractions in Romania, we decided to throw the drone up in the air. During this beautiful, amazing wide shot, disaster struck. Some say it was pilot error, but I think a piece of the mountain just came out of nowhere. Mr. Drone, being the trooper he is, just shook it off and on we went again. Off-road soon followed, and oh boy was this a nice portion of off-road. Almost flat, high speed, this is exactly what we needed. We didn't have to work to ingest this beautiful pleasure. The bike did all the work. It knew exactly what to do. It was made for this. We were then treated with exactly 3 kilometers of on-road. For you Americans, it's like a mile and a half. It's like nothing. After which came the off-road again. But this was not like the first off-road. This was no high-speed, pure endorphin-fueled off-road. There was water. And no little puddles of water. Big puddles. Wearing jeans, I took it slow, because there are only a few things worse than wet jeans on this planet. Others, however, did not have this problem. After an hour of battling the puddles from hell, came pure bliss. A perfect road, in the middle of the forest. One lane, but that was enough. Soon we left the forest behind and witnessed all the beauty this road had to offer. We continued to our destination for the night through the breathtaking scenery until we realized where we were. 4 kilometers to the land of craziness. 4 kilometri până în Ucraina? 290, deci mai avem 55 de kilometri. We took a left and started the last 50 kilometers of off-road until our hotel. Adventure brakes. As I mentioned before, adventure brakes are a very important factor of adventure riding. After you've done a couple of hours of riding, it's always a good idea to just stop and disconnect completely. Take a break, forget about the bike, enjoy nature, drink some water, make some tea, read a book, write a poem, anything basically to relax and be one with nature. I was like you once, didn't see the importance of adventure brakes, and I just kept on riding and riding and riding, and I got tired and I didn't enjoy my ride anymore and I got upset. But now, being an adventure brake enthusiast, I would say, I enjoy my rides a lot more. Do the small things in life that you never have time for, like having a nice manicure. Make sure you subscribe to catch our next episode, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do if you didn't, and let us know in the comments if you would like to join us next year.